morning, squad. It's day 2 of this daily vlog series, July the 23rd. Time is 7:30, well, 7:37. I've done my journaling for the day, I've read my 1 chapter for the day, and I'm ready to go and hit the gym. But before I go and do that, I wanted to share with you what the journal prompt is for today. And today's journal prompt is, the theme song to my life is ... I'll put a picture on the screen so that you can pause the video and write down in your notebook, your diary, or a piece of paper, what the theme song to your life is. Also, want to share with you a key point from the chapter that I read in the book I'm reading. Pain is an effective teacher. Failure, when it's painful, is likely to get fixed. Now, I wholly agree with this statement, but an even better teacher than pain is failure. I'm a big advocate for attempting to try and not being afraid of failure. So if you are someone that is scared of doing something because you might fail, please go out there, do it. Fail if you have to, you will learn. It is one of the most honest teachers you will ever get in life. Plus, we've always learned through failure. From the moment we were born, attempting to crawl, attempting to touch things, we've learned. That's the kind of biofeedback that we need. We fail at something, we learn, we correct it, we adapt, and we win. So guys, let's win together. Go out and fail. I'm about to head to the gym after drinking my super greens. I'm about to go and head to the gym, smash a quality upper body session using just dumbbells. So come along with me and I'll be answering your questions. Oh, one more thing about super greens. I have it every morning and I have it before bed without fail. Don't know if you should have it before bed. If you're someone that struggles to eat loads of veg, loads of greens, then go and buy yourself some super greens. Research any of the powders out there. My one contains probiotics and a digestive enzyme, and it's a great way to get your micronutrients and phytonutrients in your system, which is essential for your cells, essential for your energy, essential for your metabolic function, and essential if you're attempting to lose weight, build muscle, or just transform your body. Okay, Viv, so someone has asked, where do I start? It's been years.
Okay, so if you're not ready to start working out fully, I definitely recommend just trying to establish a routine of moving. So going for a walk, dancing, or even tidying up a little bit more in your house. But if you're ready to jumpstart into the working outside of things, we have a 14-day program that you can actually use. It is 20 minutes, it is low impact, and it will get you right.
Awesome. Okay, wait, before I go, talk to me about your hair, this hairstyle, what's going on?
Oh,
looks like a bed of roses, huh?
I've put a hair mask in it, so it's going to condition and help moisturize my hair.
Nice, okay.
My curls.
Okay, so protein. I always have protein straight after my workout, post-workout, for quicker recovery, preventing muscle loss and stimulating muscle growth. Now, how much protein should you have per day? A good starting point for someone that's training is around 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. So make sure to get your protein in. That is a fantastic question. There are several benefits to training in the morning versus the evening. However, this is all dependent on you, the individual. It's dependent on how much time you have for your training session, what your energy levels are like in the morning versus later in the day, and what your training goal is. So pros to training in the morning are, you're more likely to stick to routine or training as a habit because there is less chance of any interruptions. It's great for setting you up for the rest of the day, mentally and physically. That endorphin release helps. And it's also great for, a light session, maintenance session, cardio, fantastic to do first thing in the morning. Now, when it comes to later in the day or evening workouts, your strength, flexibility, power output, endurance, all of these things, research has shown to be better later in the day than in the morning. Now, if it's impossible for you to train in the evening because you have certain responsibilities, one way to kind of, make sure that you're getting the best out of your session is to wake up slightly earlier, have breakfast before your session, at least an hour before your session, and at least that way you're going to give yourself enough fuel for the session. And if vice versa, you can't train in the mornings and you can only train in the evenings, well, you're good to go. Just make sure your nutrition throughout the day sets you up for the fantastic session that you want to have later. But once again, to end on this question, it's dependent on you, the individual. I would always suggest trying both and seeing how you respond and how your body responds to training in the morning versus the evening. Boom!
Check.
So, picked up this a couple of days ago and it has been sensational. And he's just gone to park himself to recharge. And he's mopped pretty much, I would say, the whole living room and the hallway. It's taken him a long time though, 3 hours total. But saves us from doing it.
Would have taken us like.
Question, why are you so cool? Now, I feel like this question is for me, but I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. Ready? Why are you so cool?
Why is who so cool?
You, why are you so cool? Why are you so cool?
I'm a geek.
You're a geek. Well, there you have it.
What's a geek?
She's not cool, she's a geek, but she's my geek. High five. And so, we are now off to the movies. Yeah, you're like, finally. She's been wanting to go to the movies for so long, and I've been putting it off. But any excuse to get into some casual wear. And look at that, Mrs. Russell's not in all black today.
No, beige and black.
Beige and black. Right, okay, so we've got time for one more question before we sign off today's vlog. And that is, what made you decide to leave England, and would you ever return back?
Do you want to answer first?
Okay, so moving to Dubai, well, we came here on holiday back in 2016. I absolutely fell in love with the place, and so decided to move here permanently 2 weeks after my holiday. True stories. I'll have to go into that part in a bit more detail. Now, would I ever go back? You answer that first.
No, not to live, only to visit family, of course.
Same answer for me. And one of the biggest factors is going to be down to the weather. And also, 80+% of the people that move to Dubai are expats. There are people that have come here to, make a better life for themselves. And I love being around that kind of energy. That to me is the winning energy that we need to be permanently around. And also, it's sunny every single day. Right, we've got about 15 minutes to make it to the movies. Are we gonna make it?
Yeah.
You damn right we are. Let's go. Okay, completely forgot to sign off the vlog. Day 2, we made it. See you for day 3. Peace.